Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Webull account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Webull crypto tax documents? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your Webull tax documents anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're trading crypto, you know that recently your accountant or your bookkeeper is going to ask for specific transactions or information about your crypto. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Webull dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Webull account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your Webull crypto tax documents, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little gray person icon. Once you do that, you want to click on My Account. All right, once you click there, you'll see this menu on to the left. And to get your Webull crypto tax document here, you're going to click on e-documents. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here at the top. It's going to show your stock and security tax documents, but you want to click here on crypto tax documents. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your recent Webull crypto tax documents right here. So all you're going to do is just click on the box, and then it's going to start downloading immediately. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Webull crypto tax documents, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.